Woohoo! So much damage here. This little pup tent is gone as. Full of water. Moved like that far. It's like, warning. Only safe spot is in the tent. Playing cards. Nothing much. This one's full as well. Their little thing that was there fell over. So yeah. And this tarp's just dominated. And it leaks through water, so the hole didn't help. And the main gazebo, roof sagging from the wet, flags moist as, like you could whip someone with that and it would kill them. Dead things everywhere. We cleaned up some of the carnage, but it's pretty dominated. The couch is really wet. And I think someone's asleep in the tent. They seem okay. Like the actual tents are fine. James's tent got a bit munched. I think there's a pool of water under Rob's bed. Yeah.